So we're standing in a 45,000 square feet, $50 million investment in our Manufacturing Technology Engineering Center at Daly College. This is truly one of a kind. This is the first building in the country that's bringing engineering design and engineering production under one roof. Not one single piece of equipment here is here by accident. Every single equipment that we've invested in MTech has been fully vetted by industry partners who have a combined years of experience of over 200 years. So we're quite excited about bringing again both the design and the production in manufacturing here to Daly College. I'm more than happy to talk to you a little bit about the facility. This is about a year and a half worth project. As I mentioned, $45 million project, 50,000 square feet. We're quite excited about that. Before this building, we were having our manufacturing engineering classes in outer buildings, really with not the level of sophistication we would have wished for. Now we're standing in a state-of-the-art facility, unlike no other in this country, bringing both the design and the production under one roof. The field of manufacturing today is probably one of the most exciting fields in the country, and most especially for this region. In Cook County alone, there are over 10,000 jobs opening right now in the field of manufacturing. And manufacturing has really changed over the years. We are moving, just to give you an example, from 4 manufacturing pathways to about 12. Those new pathways include automation, mechatronics, and an array of other pathways that the industry, where they have a huge demand with those fields.
Hi, Dave Girzadas. Sure, Girzadas. Sure, we have 4 programs that are in our college right now. We have welding, CNC, which is computer numerical controlled machining, which is metal cutting, lathes and mills. We also have quality, so we teach metrology and use of gauges that are used in manufacturing, as well as factory automation, which is our maintenance track. So students learn the basics leading up to complicated maintenance tasks. Our graduates go into numerous different paths. Some go directly into the workforce with the skills that they learn in our program, whether it's working at a metal machining company or using their skills as a welder or as a maintenance technician. But also a lot of our students utilize our transfer agreements with the 4-year institutions and go on to their bachelor's degrees, utilizing their associate's degree as a starting point. So one of the facts that always interests me is the fact that there's 10,000 baby boomers retiring every day in the field. So even though we might hear things about outsourcing in manufacturing and the fact that manufacturing is having problems in the United States, the job openings are actually increasing as time goes on. So there's a great job market for graduates in the field of manufacturing. Right, we really expanded the equipment that we offer to our students. So we did have metal machining equipment, we had some welding, but now we have it all in one place with new and expanded capability that goes from the very basic entry-level skills to much more integrated cells that you see in automated manufacturing plants these days. So our graduates not only go into high-demand jobs in manufacturing, but also we have strong agreements for transfer opportunities with 4-year institutions. IIT, UIC, and a new and exciting one is with SIU. Carbondale is going to offer a program on campus here, so in 18 months after a student finishes their associate's degree here, they can complete a bachelor's degree in industrial management here at the Daly campus on the weekends. So that's a very exciting program that will be coming to our campus. Okay. And then one other point is that in addition to advanced manufacturing, we have a pre-engineering program here at Daly College where students are housed in the new facility and then have access to all of the new manufacturing equipment for hands-on experiences leading to their engineering career.
Oh, sure. It's Raymond Pablo. I'm sorry, say that again? Spell it? Raymond, last name Pablo, Pablo. Well, for me, it's probably a little bit different than the other students. I was in the military for 20 years, and when I got out, I didn't know quite what to do, so I just kind of kept doing my hobby, but as work. And that grew into its own career. But, you know, as things go on, I mean, coming here was kind of an indulgence, doing the welding program. And it was just going to be just for me. But then as I learned more and more about it, I'm over at a satellite campus, not at this facility. it became much larger than that. And so just learning more about that, you know, over at the satellite campus, it's a good facility, but it's older. But here, when they brought us over here to see what capabilities there are and just how much bigger everything is, it certainly opens up the imagination as to what's really possible in the industry. I mean, I came into it in my hobby, and when I look at it in my hobby, it's just my small perspective, but when you see how large it can be, TIG welding, there's things that fly in aerospace. Who's going to build the next shuttle? So, yes, I mean the robotic welder, robotic plasma cutter, all of the safety things that are involved to keep the students safe, you know, from things like heavy metals. Yeah, I mean, you really need to have a better facility just so that you can understand the pros and the cons, but really the pros. So